Do you want to build critical skills that you can apply immediately? HCI's virtual workshops are designed to help you keep your knowledge and skills current with targeted learning focused on the most in-demand competencies for HR professionals. Workshops are held every few weeks from 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. Eastern Time. Each half-day session offers opportunities to learn and apply best practices, get feedback from HCI's expert faculty, and share experiences and insights with your colleagues attending the workshop, all while completing real work that will have an impact in your organization. All workshops also include tools and templates to take with you and are pre-approved for recertification credits towards SHRM, HRCI, ATD, and HCI certifications. Individual workshops are just $495, or you can build new skills all year long with an HCI Premium membership for just $1,895. Visit hci.org/workshops or hci.org/premium membership to learn more and register today.